The Auditor-General releasing a report earlier today, Kimi Makwetu saying he's concerned about the slow pace of maintaining clean audits by government departments. This despite clean audits rising at least by 2 percentage points. Clean audits 28% this year as compared to the 26% last year. Well, let's try once again to touch base with Nompumelelo Siziba. She's been covering that briefing. Nompu, is this good news, if you can hear me, a 2% rise in good clean audits?
Thanks very much, Devon. Yes, look, there's been an improvement in the clean audits. As you mentioned, last year, the number of departments that qualified were 26%, and for the 2014 to 2015 year, that's now at 28%, which is an improvement. So the trend is improving. But that is a very small fraction when you think of all the departments that have been surveyed. So 468 departments were looked at. This includes national and provincial government and some government entities. And basically what we are finding is that most of them, some 48% of those audited, actually had what's called unqualified unqualified audits with findings. That just basically means that when it came to their financial accuracy in terms of reporting, that was found to be good. But they were either found wanting in either areas of complying with legislation or complying with other operational things that they should be doing, but they haven't been transparent about what's happening. So there seems to be a question mark there, and if there's a question mark in that area, it then threatens their ability to report accurately financially in the future. In terms of irregular expenditure and what they call unauthorized expenditure, that actually did improve quite markedly, but those numbers are still quite high.
All right, I mean, it's the crucial service delivery departments, I mean, that's of concern here, isn't it, Nompu? Education, health, public works, they still have the worst outcomes, don't they?
The AG spoke about his concern about particularly education, health and public works sectors. These are the sectors that are obviously pivotal to the economy and that get a large tranche of government expenditure when it comes to allocations of revenue. And so what he was saying is that these departments are the ones that are normally found wanting in terms of their financial reporting, and that they urgently need assistance, because obviously if they're not putting their finances right, it means that you and I and people who are a lot less privileged than us are not able to get the kind of service delivery that they so deserve, because money is being siphoned to areas that it shouldn't be, whether it's wasteful or even criminal use. Devon.